Did you know that chickens can remember over 100 faces of their own species? Now that's some serious poultry memory power. Today, we're embarking on a feathery journey to discover 8 fun and intriguing facts about our clucking friends. From their surprising ties to dinosaurs, to their supervision, and even their ability to dream, we're about to delve into a world that's sure to ruffle your feathers. Stick around as we count down the top 8 most fascinating things you never knew about chickens. Starting off at number 8, did you know that chickens are the closest living relatives to the T-Rex? Yes, it's true. Scientists have discovered that the genes of these two creatures share an uncanny similarity. This doesn't mean that your feathered backyard friend is going to start rampaging around like a Jurassic Park escapee, but it does highlight the fascinating evolution of species over millions of years. This genetic link has even provided a unique window into the world of dinosaurs. By studying the embryos of chickens, paleontologists can observe developmental processes that might have occurred in dinosaur embryos as well. It's like having a mini Jurassic Park in a lab, minus the high-stakes drama. And while a chicken might not look very dinosaur-like to us, remember that the T-Rex didn't have its iconic appearance right from the egg either. Evolution is a process of constant change and adaptation. So next time you see a chicken, remember, you're looking at a modern-day dinosaur. Coming in at number 7, chickens have supervision. Yes, you heard that right. Our feathery friends are not just clucking around, they are seeing the world in a way we can only dream of. Chickens have a broad color spectrum, much wider than that of humans. They can see red, blue, and green like us, but also ultraviolet light, a color that is invisible to our eyes. Imagine what a rainbow looks like to a chicken, with ultraviolet hues sprinkled in. Not only that, but chickens have the unique ability to see daylight hours before we humans can. While we're turning off our alarm clocks, chickens are already up and about, greeting the day. They have a natural sensitivity to light changes, which means they can detect the break of dawn while it's still pitch dark for us. Now, isn't that something to cluck about? At number 6, we have some speedy chickens. Now, when you think about chickens, speed might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But don't let their pecking and clucking fool you. These feathery fellows can really hustle when they need to. Imagine a chicken, its wings flapping, feet kicking up dust, sprinting at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour. That's right, 9 miles per hour. This surprising burst of speed comes in handy, especially when they need to escape predators or chase down a tasty meal. They may not be able to maintain this speed for a long distance, but in short spurts, they're practically feathered race cars. So next time you see a chicken leisurely pecking around the yard, remember, they've got some serious wheels tucked under those fluffy feathers. They might not win a marathon, but they sure can sprint. Halfway through our list, at number 5, chickens are quite the communicators. These feathered friends have a language all their own, using a wide variety of sounds to express different needs and emotions. From soft clucking to signal contentment to abrupt squawks of alarm, each sound is purposeful and unique. Fascinatingly, chickens have different calls to signal different types of threats. For example, they have a specific high-pitched sound for aerial predators like hawks or eagles, and a different low-pitched sound for land-based threats like foxes or dogs. Their communication isn't just limited to threats, though. Chickens can also use their voices to call their chicks, to establish hierarchy within the flock, and even to express joy when they find a tasty treat. Chickens' complex communication system is a testament to their intelligence and social nature. It's a whole world of clucks, squawks, and coos, each with its own meaning. Who knew chickens were so chatty? At number 4, it seems chickens aren't just daydreamers. Yes, you heard it right. Our feathery friends do more than just peck and cluck in their waking hours. When the sun sets and the coop turns quiet, chickens enter a phase of sleep known as rapid eye movement or REM sleep. This is the same kind of sleep that humans and many other animals experience when they dream. So what do chickens dream about, you might wonder? While we may never know for sure, it's fascinating to think that they could be dreaming about a world full of corn kernels, or maybe, just maybe, plotting their next great escape from the coop. And there you have it, folks. Chickens, just like us, have the ability to dream. So the next time you see a chicken nestled in for the night, remember, they might just be off on some amazing adventure in their dreams. Sweet dreams, little cluckers. Coming up third, we have proof that chickens are fantastic mothers. From the moment their eggs are laid, mother hens begin to show their dedication. Did you know they communicate with their unborn chicks? Yes, they do. A mother hen clucks softly to her eggs, and incredibly, the chicks inside respond with soft peeps. It's a heartwarming conversation that begins even before they see each other. Once the chicks hatch, the mother hen's protective instinct kicks in full gear. She provides warmth, guidance, and protection to her little ones. If danger approaches, she fluffs up her feathers to appear larger, ready to fight off any threats. The chicks, instinctively knowing their mother's signal, scurry underneath her for safety. She's their guardian, their teacher, and their comforter, providing them with everything they need to grow into strong, healthy chickens. This is more than just an animal instinct. It's a bond, a connection, a display of unconditional love. Motherly love, chicken style. Just missing the top spot at number 2, chickens are smarter than you think. That's right, these feathered creatures aren't just about clucking and pecking. They've got some serious brain power. Recent studies have shown that chickens are capable of solving puzzles that would stump many other animals. They can remember complex patterns and sequences, and even outperform toddlers in certain cognitive tests. If you thought a chicken's world was all about picking at the ground and laying eggs, think again. Not only that, but chickens also have a sense of time and space. They can anticipate future events based on past experiences and even have a concept of numbers. If you were to hide a handful of grains in several spots, a chicken would remember all locations and the order in which they were hidden. So, next time you see a chicken, remember, they're not just cute, they're clever too. Brains and beauty, these chickens have it all. And finally at number 1, chickens outnumber humans. You might be surprised to learn this, but it's true. There are nearly 3 chickens for every human on our planet. Let's put that into perspective. The global human population is around 7.8 billion. Now, imagine tripling that number. You would have a staggering 23 billion chickens. That's an awful lot of feathered friends, isn't it? Chickens are spread all across the world, in every continent except Antarctica. They're in our backyards, on farms, in cities, and in rural areas. They're an integral part of our food chain and our economy. Their sheer numbers are a testament to their incredible adaptability and the role they play in our daily lives. From providing eggs and meat to being companions, chickens are undeniably important. So next time you see a chicken, give it a nod of respect. They might just outnumber us, but they're part of our world too. That's right, chickens are taking over the world. And there you have it, 8 clucking amazing facts about chickens. We've journeyed from their dinosaur origins, marveled at their supervision, and admired their surprising speed. We've learned about their complex communication, their ability to dream, their nurturing nature as moms, and their surprising intelligence. To top it all off, we've discovered that they outnumber us humans. Who knew our feathered friends were so fascinating? Stay tuned for more fun facts about your favorite animals. Until next time, keep clucking on!